Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I am Kevin, and tonight we're going to do some green chili chicken enchiladas. Look at that. Creamy, cheesy, delicious, and I'm sure full of flavor. Let me show you how to make this.
All right, so let's just dive right into this. First thing you want to do is get your green chili sauce going. Homemade green chili sauce, preferably. So what we're going to do is melt some butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. You want 2 tablespoons of flour. And you want to cook this for 1 to 2 minutes. Stirring constantly over a medium heat. You want to slowly stir in 1 cup of chicken broth. Okay, and you want to let this go for 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and creamy. Okay, it's been a little over 2 minutes and it's nice and creamy. I'm going to stir in a cup of sour cream. You can use a whisk if you want. I like using this wooden spoon. Then you want to add 4 ounces or a half a cup of your green chili. This is roasted, diced, deseeded, peeled. You can get a can, 4-ounce can, or this is roughly 6 peeled, diced hatch green chilies. You want to let this go for 2 to 3 minutes as well, and you also want to add a half a teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of garlic powder. I have granulated, a half teaspoon of salt. Just keep stirring it for 2 minutes. Okay, this has been going for about 3 minutes, and we're going to turn the flame off. And I'm going to cover it and just let it sit to the side while we roll the chicken into tortillas. Okay, for the filling, I got 2 cups of shredded rotisserie chicken. I did a rotisserie chicken in the oven. Yes, in the oven with a non-electric rotisserie. I'll leave a video card at the end if you're interested in that. So you want approximately 2 cups of chicken, a cup of shredded cheese. You can use Monterey Jack. I love using this Chihuahua cheese. If you watch my channel at all, you know that. Teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of onion powder, and I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. It calls for a teaspoon of garlic powder and then salt and pepper to taste, so I'm going to use salt, pepper, garlic, and I'm going to use two teaspoons of that. And we're just going to mix it up, and that'll be the chicken for the inside of the enchiladas. That's where it would end for most people, but I'm in New Mexico and I can't help but add, 3 more green chilies to the mix, and I'm also going to put a big dollop of sour cream in there. Now I'm going to mix it up, and this is going to be the filling that I'm going to use. So if you want it a little spicier, add some green chili, a little bit of sour cream. I like the sour cream in here because it helps kind of hold it together when you're rolling them. Saucepan, approximately the size of your tortilla. You want to add a 1/4 to 1/2 inch of vegetable oil. That's probably enough. And we're going to let this heat up a little bit. You don't want to get it too hot. And all we're going to do is we're going to soften our corn tortillas in the oil. We're going to set them on the tray right on top of each other, no draining. You don't want to put raw tortillas. For one, they don't roll very well. You could soften them in the microwave, but then they're going to fall apart because when they get wet, they'll fall apart. So you want to soften them in hot oil, and it kind of firms them up a little bit. Oil is hot enough, and basically you just want to get the bubbles around the edge. This will soften them up a little bit. Just want them a little bit firm. You should be able to pull them out like that. Got to be gentle and just do all 10 of them like that. So you could put some of your sauce on the bottom. I'm just going to spray the bottom, and the sauce is going to go all over the top. It'll run in there. So then you want to just take your corn tortilla, take a little, I use my hand, so I don't know how much that is. Probably 2 tablespoons maybe. And then roll them up. Just like that. Okay, so I ended up having enough for 11. of the chicken. They're rolled up pretty full, and I heated the oven up to 375 degrees, and now you want to take your green chili sauce and you want to spread it all over these enchiladas. Okay. Spread it out, and then you want to top it with another, probably about a half a cup of shredded cheese. You put as much as you like, but it'll take at least a half a cup. Okay, 25 minutes at 375. Look at that. All right, we're gonna let these cool off a few minutes. We'll take a taste test. All right, let's get a couple of these out of here. Look at that. All right, we gotta taste this.
Just like that, there you go. Creamy, cheesy, green chili chicken enchiladas. Okay, so here we go. Look at that. It is steaming hot. Got a little Spanish rice there. I'll tell you what, that is definitely creamy and cheesy and full of flavor. All right. Hey, I think this one is worth giving a try. If you're looking for a good recipe for creamy, cheesy chicken enchiladas, green chili chicken enchiladas, give these a try. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.